Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this cordless curler that has suddenly become very popular on Instagram and on YouTube. There is a lot of mixed opinion about it, and therefore I wanted to try it and give you like an honest feedback on it. So yeah, in this video, expect like the full reality of this particular product. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I ordered this cordless curler from Amazon and the MRP is 16.99 rupees. If when you'll open Amazon and you'll search for cordless curler, you will find at least 4 to 5 different companies offering like just the same product, and the MRPs are different. Some are of 12.99, 13.99, 16.99, but I ordered the most expensive one because we have this psyche that, you know, the more expensive the product, the better it will work. Like this particular one is of 16.99 rupees. Now because this is a cordless curler, you obviously have to make sure that this is fully charged before you start using it. And from my experience, I can tell you that this product takes anywhere between 50 minutes to 1 hour to get fully charged. The method of using it is something like this. Over here is the switch on button, so you have to press it for 2-3 seconds and then you can see it is on, and the temperature is blinking at 150 degrees Celsius. Right now 150 doesn't work for my hair, so I am going to increase it. Right, so now you can see that the temperature setting is at 200. If you will leave it for a few seconds, then this blinking will stop and the temperature will set at 200 degrees Celsius, as you can see. Okay, so now the rod will start heating and you can feel that, and this is the magic button. When you press it, the rod starts twirling and you know the hair will get curled. So yeah, I'll demonstrate it for you guys. Now the sections for this particular product to work need to be small. This is something which is also written in the instruction panel, that you cannot work with really big sections. So it's going to be a time-taking process, and this I feel is a bigger section. So I am taking this thick a section. Also, before you start using this appliance, make sure that your hair is 100% dry. If your hair is wet, this product ain't gonna work. So what we have to do is, you have to take this section, make sure that it's completely detangled, and over here you can see this like, you know, niche kind of thing. Now I'll keep, like, you know, it's like you make sure that it's gone inside it, right? So some part you have to make sure that it goes inside, and then you press this button. I hope you can see it, right? And then it will take the entire hair in. And you don't have to count or anything, because see, can you hear the beep? Once it is done, it will beep. So you leave it, and then okay, this curl is not impressive. No, not at all. So what I will do is, I will divide this into 2 parts. So I'm going to take this section now, this is a really thin section, and try it again. Another thing that you should know about this product is that once, you know, it twirls and the beep is there, it takes 7 to 8 seconds to start again. I don't know if it's a cooling process or whatever it is. I'll show it to you. So okay, so before you see the curl, you can see that, see, it's counting backwards, 3, 2, 1. Can you see it? So this is the gap, and now you can see that this curl is nice. This is what you can call a curl. Now let's try it on another section and see. Just keep it like this, and okay, the beep is done. All right. Okay, so because this section was slightly thicker than the previous section, you can see it's like, you know, if you compare it, right. So as of now, what I'm understanding is that this cordless curler will work for your hair, but the section has to be really small, matlab really small, because Oh god, even in a slightly thicker section, the functionality is disturbed and the overall result is affected. So I think you do not have the liberty of, you know, having many different types of curls, you know, like in a regular machine you can have like thick curls, thin curls, tight curls, loose curls, whatever. But over here that's not the case. You have to use a similar section and it is going to get similar results. So there's not much scope of experimentation. So let's try it again. But this process, it doesn't take a lot of time. Ooh, I like it. Okay, now I don't know if this problem is with my machine only or if it's a generic problem, but I have charged this appliance for 45 minutes and I have been using it for like 5 minutes. I like whatever I've done in front of you guys for 5 minutes and it is discharged. So this is a huge turn off. Matlab 45 minutes of charging and 5 minutes of functionality doesn't make any sense to me. And the thing is that I cannot like continue using it, because again it means that I'll have to charge it for another 1 hour and then, you know, it will work for 5 minutes. So my idea of trying this on my entire hair is not going to work at all. I'm back to wearing my headband because it is practically impossible to use this product. Like I will have to charge it for another 1 hour and then it is only going to give me 5 minutes or 10 minutes of curls. And even if it was working fine, the width of the section that you have to take, it is so small, it will actually take you not less than 2 to 3 hours to just curl your hair. And my length is like so less. I'm scared of, you know, using this product further because it is easily going to take 2 to 3 hours and it's just going to give me some lame curls, which I am not interested in at all. Yeah, this product is a huge disappointment, and my advice to you would be that please don't buy it. So this was all from my side today. This video actually ended in the weirdest way possible. Like I couldn't even do the hairstyle that I wanted to do, but yeah, truth is truth, and I am so happy that I could share the reality of this product with all of you guys. I'll say it once again, please do not invest in it. It's very tempting, but I don't think it's worth any single penny.